Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make pasta primavera. This delightful dish is perfect for a quick weeknight meal or a lovely gathering. We'll focus on fresh, vibrant vegetables and a simple, delicious sauce that comes together in about 30 minutes. Get ready to enjoy a colorful and healthy meal that's bursting with flavor and incredibly easy to prepare. Let's get started. For our pasta primavera, you'll need about 1 pound of your preferred pasta, like penne or rotini. Grab 2 cups of fresh, colorful vegetables such as bell peppers, zucchini, and cherry tomatoes. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic, 1/4 cup of good quality olive oil, and 1/2 cup of vegetable broth. A sprinkle of fresh herbs and 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese will complete our ingredient list. These simple components create a truly wonderful dish. Now, let's get those vegetables perfectly tender crisp. Heat 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large skillet over medium heat. Start with your firmer vegetables like carrots and broccoli, sautéing them for about 3 minutes. Then, add the softer ones, such as bell peppers and zucchini, and cook for another 5 minutes until they are bright and slightly tender. Finally, stir in your minced garlic and cherry tomatoes for the last minute, letting their flavors bloom. Once your vegetables are ready, it's time to bring everything together. Cook your pasta according to the package instructions until it's perfectly al dente. Drain it well, but remember to reserve about 1/2 cup of that starchy pasta water. Now, combine the hot pasta with your vibrant sautéed vegetables and the vegetable broth. Toss everything gently, adding a splash of the reserved pasta water if needed. Then finish with grated Parmesan cheese and fresh herbs. Serve immediately and enjoy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.